Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access Hotmail inbox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Microsoft's official website and navigate Outlook through their Microsoft 365 services. Once you're on the login page, look for the Sign In button and click on it. You'll then be asked to enter your email address. Make sure to type your complete Hotmail address. If you forget your email or can't sign in, don't worry, Microsoft offers options to recover your account. After entering your email, click Next. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type it correctly as passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered your credentials, click Sign In. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Outlook Mail interface, where you can view and manage your emails. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a list of folders. Scroll through until you find one labeled Inbox, then click on it. This is where all your incoming messages are stored. Take a moment to explore the sorting and filtering options available to organize your inbox effectively. And that's it. So that is how you can access Hotmail inbox. So that's all for this video. Thanks.